much.
I thought we were going to be...
You'll find the beach just over that hill.
What? How am I supposed to... After all that... Oh. Oh. I wonder... Right. Right. Hold tight, Teddy. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Whee! Oh, gracious, this is fast.
Stop!
Sorry, can't stop, I'm afraid. Thank you. Yes. Excellent. Oh, absolute bliss. Afternoon. Teddy, why didn't you wake me? Oh, no. Oh, quick, quick. Oh, no. Quick, quick. Oh, Jesus. Come on, Teddy, we've got to get out of here. You go in there. Let's go. Oh, no, of course. Oh, no. Oh. Help, help. Back, 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 back. Stop, stop, stop. Oh, wait a moment. I wonder. Ah, this is the last, Teddy. Home in no time, and it won't cost us a penny. Honestly.
Sunny spells followed by a heat wave.
What a load of rubbish.
You need a mop
Oh,
like
there's
this
nothing on.
It was worth £1 million,
How much?
and it was dug up in Brenda's garden.
I...
We are delighted to have the coin here at the museum.
£1 million? Oh, well, I think I might have a look in the garden myself. Teddy, this is exhausting.
Bean? What you up to?
Oh, just helping in the garden, you know.
Well, leave it tidy.
Okie doke, don't worry.
Goal! Too fast for you, son.
What's this? Oh, treasure. Look, look. We're rich, 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 we're rich. What? Oh,
My garden.
oh, yes. When I get back from the museum, bye.
You better.
Hello, good afternoon. I've got some treasure. Who do I show it to?
Up the stairs, go right, then first on the left.
Right, okay.
We're closing in 10 minutes.
Oh, hello, wait. I found this in my garden.
Wait there, please.
Oh, thank you.
My medallion! Where is it?
Hey? Your medallion?
Yeah, mine.
Bean's taken it to the museum.
Hey?
Oh, look at that, Teddy. Look at the big lion. Oh, very good. Oh, come on. Wait! Please? Oh, Teddy. Oh! I'll be needing these. Right. Now, I think somewhere around here would be good. Oh. Ah, perfect. Oh. Oh. Right, put those there. Right. Coffee! Coffee here! Coffee sold here! Coffee! Coffee over here! Delicious coffee!
Why not?
Good morning, sir. Can I help?
Grande cappuccino.
Certainly, sir. Coming right up. Right, oh. Just a couple of minutes. Thank you.
Huh.
Oh, I've got to... Just be a few more minutes, sir.
Oh.
Oh, no, there's no electricity. Oh. Just a moment. Aha! Right. I just got to wait till the, Just one moment, please, sir.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, I need some froth. Oh. Right. Ooh. Oh, and chocolate sprinkles. Oh, excellent. On its way, sir. Thank you for your patience. Ooh. How is it?
Oh. Oh, wow.
Ah,
Bargain.
look at that. Hello.
Perfecto.
First viewing of the day.
Oh, hello. Ooh.
Oh, hello.
Why don't we start... Oh,
Yeah.
don't you want to see the...
So this is it, is it?
uh,
No, I'd like to start outside, please.
okay.
The shed. Can I see inside the shed?
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh. Cake? Hmm.
Hey! Let me out! Hey! What's going on?
There we go. Excellent. Stage 1 complete. Oh, maybe just perfect. Oh, good morning. Come in, come in, come in, come in. Ah! Oh, you found the floorboard. Well, there are some superficial things, of course, but nothing to worry about. Well, that's easily mended. All right. Well, if you'd like to follow me upstairs. Right. Well, this is very much the deluxe part of the property. Yes. Well, the neighbours are a little noisy. One of the neighbours seems to have escaped. I'll just be a moment. Stay there. No, oh no.
Oi! Open that door! Open that door!
I think I'll come with you if you don't mind.
Wait! Give me that!
Get off me! Get off! Get off! Get off! Ow!
Welcome.
Hello.
You again?
Ow! Oh! Ow!
Oh, sorry. Come on through.
Need a violin. Aha! Yes!
So, you hold them like this, and then you waggle them, I find.
Oh. Phew. There we go.
There you are.
Thank you.
Hello.
Oh, hello. I'd like one of those, please.
A violin. I'll just go and get you one.
Thank you. Look at that one. Oh, sorry.
That's not a violin. Like this.
That's a better size. I'll take that one.
Yes.
That one's dangerous.
Music?
Oh, yes, please. Yes, seems about right.
And a stand.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
There we go.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Amateur.
Oh.
Right. Good. So that's... Ta-da! Ow! Ow! Said all we need is the music. What the... Honestly. Right, there we are. Oh, Teddy, let me play for you. Oh. 3, 4.
Oh!
Oh!
Ouch!
All right. Oh! Sorry. Yeah, what the... There you go, son. Can I have a go?
Where's your board?
Well, I haven't got one. Ah, I've got an idea. Come on, son. There you go. Oh, that could be useful. You're coming with me. Not bad. Oh, excuse me. Deborah! Huh? Have it. We're off to the skate park. I can do this. Oh! 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 Oh no! Thank you. Bye. What the?
Core, nice scooter.
Oh, yes. Oh, I can't get up.
Oh. I've got an idea. There we go. Come on, come on.
Right.
Oh.
Right. Need to charge it up.
Oh, that's quite a machine you've got there. Can I,
Hands off, Bean. 5 hours of wrestling.
That's 5 hours of non-stop wrestling action. So, for all you wrestling fans, let's get ready to rumble, because we have a mighty grappling Leviathan.
Look at him! Get him down! Knock his block off!
See that? He didn't see that.
Yeah!
Oh, that's gotta hurt. I don't think he's gonna get up from that one, Clive.
That's it!
The postman! He's here, he's here! He's here, Mrs. Wicket! He's here! Thank you! No, that's yours. I know. No. Thank you! It's here, it's here, it's here, it's here! Come on. Yes! My collection complete. Okay. So, now what?
So you want to do swapsies? Oh. How about this?
Got that one. Got that one. Got that one.
What about this one? It's mega rare.
Oh, cool.
Hello? What have you got there?
It's the Jamie Stud sticker book.
Oh. Jamie Studs.
You've got to collect them all.
Well, that looks brilliant. I think I'm going to get myself one.
Oh, cool.
Here they are. I'll have this sticker book, please. Oh, and I'll need some stickers. I'm just going to take the whole lot. There we are.
Thank you.
Stickers, please.
All gone.
Oh, I like that one. Very colourful. There. Complete. Aye?
There's one sticker you haven't got.
The golden shiny. You'll never find it. It's mega rare.
What? The golden shiny. There's one right there. Oh, in his house. I wonder.
Hello?
Is Jamie Studs there, please?
No visitors.
What?
No visitors.
Great. Oh. 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 How's it going?
Bean.
Wow. Oh. These are mine. Right, what's this? Hello?
Bean.
What's wrong? Well, he started it.
Bean.
No.
Oh. Okay. Thank you.
What? Oh. Ah. Excuse me. Could I have a go, please? Thank you. Right. Oh, no. Sorry. Honestly.
Right, you two, go and collect those sponsors.
Excuse me, sponsored skydive? Help the donkeys?
Hello.
Go get those sponsors.
I've got an idea. Oh, yes. Ta-da! Bye! Oh, there it is. Yes. Oh, that's nice. Sorry. Good morning.
Hello.
Can I have one of those, please?
Sorry, we're sold out.
What? Oh, no. So cold. Oh, excellent. Oh, look. I'll make myself a cup of tea. Ow. Aha. Hello.
What's going on? Right. You out!
All right, all right. Excuse me, can I help? Follow me.
All fixed.
Oh, thank you. Bye. Oh, what? Oh no, oh no. This is wicked. This is wicked. Oh, don't believe.
Smile.
Oi!
Okay. Every time you win an event, you get a point. The player with the most points wins this trophy.
Oh. That trophy is mine.
No, it's mine.
It's mine, it's mine, it's mine, it's mine, it's mine, it's mine.
Mine.
Been a competition. Like it. Let's get started. This way. Okay. First to the top wins.
Understood?
Ready? Go. Come on.
I'm giving up. I think I need some gloves. I'll throw the rope up and you can tie them on. Ready? Just send the whole bag down.
Okay, coming down.
There we are.
Winner.
Yes.
Excellent.
Ah, thank you. So, what's this?
Build a raft. First one to the other side wins. You can use these materials.
Ah.
Go!
Aha. Hello.
Here.
So what happens next?
First to the bottom wins. See you down there.
Oh, well, I hope you do better this time.
Right.
Right.
Ready, steady.
Right. Get to know the lie of the land. Oh, excellent. Get the spot.
Hey! Hey!
Here we are.
Yeah!
Oh, what kept you?
Another victory.
Oh, thank you very much.